Hey everybody, welcome back. And today we're going to be breaking down our Walt Disney World trip that we finalized this morning. Really excited to get everything really taken care of. We got the last little bit paid off on it, so we are good to go. So we're going to break down our dining reservations and talk about our trip that we're taking in the month of May. January the 1st, 2023. That was the last day we were at any theme park at all. And here it is at the making of this video. It is April the 12th. So that is a long time. That's about 3.5 to 4 months that we haven't been to any parks. We went to the zoo. We'll have that video coming out sometime next week. We're editing that video after this one. So we haven't really taken any trips at all. We haven't went to any Six Flags trips or anything like that. But our Disney World trip is confirmed from September the 2nd through September the 12th. We got all that stuff paid off. Really excited about that. We're going to break down our dining reservations and the videos and stuff that we're going to make. We're going to talk about the videos first since it's really not that crazy. We're going to be making videos every day while we're there. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys would like to see a travel video. And that's traveling from here home to Orlando to an airplane with Asher. We were going to make one last year, but we had some technological issues going on last year, and some of the policies at the airport and airplanes have sometimes are a little sketchy, so I really didn't want to push the issue so much. But now that we've flown 2 different times, getting ready to fly for a 3rd time, I feel very confident that we could make a video. But if you guys don't want to see a travel video, then I'm not going to make it. If you do, then let me know in the comment section down below. I'll also start a poll in the community tab as well, so you guys can respond there as well. We'll be doing vlogs every single day that we're there. So you're looking at probably about 10 different vlogs while we're there. Nighttime spectaculars, it's really up in the air if we're going to re-record Fantasmic. We have a better technology now than we did in December. When it comes to recording this stuff. We upgraded a lot of stuff when it comes to the nighttime spectacular videos that we make, like new cameras, we got tripods, we got new microphones. We've got a whole lot of really neat stuff that we're going to be trying out with Happily Ever After. So it's kind of up in the air whether or not we're going to re-record Fantasmic. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to see a new video of Fantasmic with the new camera. So that's kind of up in the air. We are not doing Epcot Forever. We actually have a dinner reservations that we're going to get for Via Napoli, which is an Italian restaurant at Epcot. That will be our dinner, and then we will be leaving the park directly after that. We actually won't even stay to watch Epcot Forever because I have no interest in watching that show. It's just a personal preference, nothing against the people that love the show. So that's just what we have planned for it. Happily Ever After, we are making a video on Happily Ever After. I do believe we are recording 6 angles for Happily Ever After and probably about 8 different audio tracks to be able to put together for a really huge video for that. Really excited for that. And I think we're going to go get some, we made a list of the ride POVs we haven't gotten yet, and a lot of the stuff that we have yet to do, like Tom Sawyer's Island, Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse, all of this stuff, Astro Orbiter, People Mover, stuff like that is stuff that we did not get to do in December and we did not do in September. So there's a lot of stuff that we're really going to kind of shake off to do this year. We won't be visiting Animal Kingdom during September trip because I really don't feel the need to waste half a day at a park when you're spending for a full day, when you're spending over $100 for a park ticket, $200 for Asher and I, and we're only spending half a day there. So if we're only going to spend a half a day in the park, we'd rather watch Happily Ever After. So that's what we're doing on our park free day. After our dining reservation, which we'll talk about in a minute, we'll be heading into Magic Kingdom to watch Happily Ever After from Main Street. Depending on what angles and how the show is progressing and the recording will determine if we stream it or not. If you guys would like us to stream it, then let me know down below if you guys want to see that. That pretty much, a lot of videos, a lot of content. Usually is on a full trip. This time we'll make sure that we don't delete any of our footage, so that way we can actually upload everything. So that'd be cool. Magical Friendship Fair and some of the stuff that we originally had, we have to go reshoot. So that's what we have going on there. As far as dining reservations go, we're going to break this down really, really fast. Last year, we only had a couple of dining reservations. But when I went solo in December, I realized that coming and making these dining reservations to certain restaurants really bring the experience that you're really filling out during your vacation. The dining experience is also part of the experience and also part of your vacation. So you really want to get there and experience that. So it's something that we really wanted to do. So we're going to break these down. I'm not going to break them down by dates. I'm going to break you down and tell them what park they're in. We're not exactly sure when Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party availability is going to show up. So once those dates come available, we'll have to end up swapping one day around, or we'll just leave it as it is if we get lucky and it's on the day that we assume we're wanting to get. But I feel pretty confident that we're going to have to swap some Magic Kingdom days around, because we don't want to be at Magic Kingdom during a party day, because we want to be there during Happily Ever After. We arrive on my birthday in September the 2nd. We're obviously, same thing we always do, dinner, California Grill. We do dinner at California Grill for a lot of reasons. One, because we love the environment and we love the food. But two, we get to watch the fireworks on top of the Contemporary Resort, and that is a really good angle when it comes to recording fireworks. We're just hoping that that's not a party day during that time. If it is, then that'll be an extra angle for our Mickey's Not So Scary, Not So Spooky Spectacular fireworks video. And if that's what it is, then the day we're at the Polynesian Village watching the show, then we'll end up having to record it from there, or we'll just make our way to the Contemporary and record it there anyway, just not from the top of the roof. When we're at Magic Kingdom, for Asher's birthday, he wanted to do Be Our Guest Restaurant. This is something that I really enjoyed personally when I went back in December. The food is kind of okay. The environment and everything else is really, really cool. I really enjoyed that. Sci-Fi Dine-In. This is the Fantasmic Dining Package. We're getting that for an early lunch one day. And then we're getting the Roundup Barbecue, which is themed to Toy Story. Asher loves Toy Story, so we thought it'd be a really good dinner there at Hollywood Studios. Like I said earlier, Epcot dinner would be via Napoli. Our Disney Springs dining reservation will be the same as it was last year. If it's not broke, don't fix it. We'll be eating dinner at T-Rex before making our way back to Magic Kingdom to watch Happily Ever After. Another day we'll be having breakfast at Chef Mickey's. Our last one will be Hollywood and Vine, which will be the Fantasmic Dining Package on our final day at Hollywood Studios. We really had a great time with the character dinings last year, so we really wanted to keep the two that we had. We didn't really want to add a whole lot, because adding too much gets expensive very, 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 very fast. Those dining reservations, especially the character dinings, can rack up money fast. So that's why we only try to do two on a trip. I don't do any when it's just me, because why would I? If I'm doing a review or something like that, there has been the speculation of swapping out Via Napoli for Garden Grill. But I'm kind of on the fence about Garden Grill, so you guys can let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about Garden Grill. Is it good? Is it worth it? What do you guys think? Let me know. All right, so that's our dining reservations. Our trip is done. Our flight is done. Everything for September is done. We're just playing the waiting game. And with that comes it's time to start planning a trip. I do believe the plan is to hit both Six Flags parks in Texas one weekend, but I do believe sometime this month I will end up taking a trip to over Texas to ride Aquaman Power Wave. I'll let you guys know when that is in case you guys want to meet up or have some fun at the parks. There's nothing wrong with that. But I do believe in May we'll be taking like a 4-day trip where we'll spend 2 days at Fiesta, Texas. I do believe in May and June we'll be heading back to Fiesta, Texas multiple times because it's when we started making these firework videos, rock the night, rock the night. When are you going to do rock the night? So we're going to San Antonio so that way we can, as soon as that show debuts, we're going to go out there and we're going to shoot rock the night. So that'll be fun, be interesting, and get a lot of good content while we're down there. But that trip will be for May. So subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and you guys will get updated when that video comes out. It should be coming out probably sometime in the next week or so. So, man, that's going to wrap it up for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, if you're new and you enjoy the content, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications. It's free. Smash the thumbs up button, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.